Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you this new recipe to make muesli. For 5 servings you will need 200 grams of oats. Then you'll need 200 milliliters of milk. Mix all together. After that, leave it for 1 hour. To make whipped cream, you'll need double cream. You can either use a hand blender or you can whisk it together. Now your whipped cream is ready. For the fruits, I use mango, apple, banana, kiwi, and papaya. You can use different fruits to add to it, such as strawberries, blueberries, or even grapes. Use your 1 cup of oats that you made earlier. Use 1 plain cup of yogurt and half a cup of sugar. Mix all together. You can use more or less sugar according to your taste. Then add in your chopped up fruits. Mix all together. When you're using your whipped cream to mix up, you mix it slowly. This delicious recipe is really good. Try it at home for your breakfast. If you like this recipe, please like and subscribe to my channel. Now it's all ready to serve. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Next time I will come back with another new recipe.